Isip now. Isip. Shovel pass. Cabrera. The scoop layup. Short. Cabrera now. Another open lane. Timeouts again. Isip. Fakes. Isip. No. Saving it. Cabrera.
Basket timeout never.
Timeout. Pusong no look pass. Yes for Mr. Manansala. Manyala. Kick out. Manansala. Quick three. It's on the way. Back. Makaspak. Floater. Too strong. Offensive rebound. Luna. Yeah. Luna. Stop. Drop. Fake. Makaspak. Basket. Timeout. Lion. Set shot. Yes. Wala pang warm up yan. Ito makaspak. Medyo mabagal yung pagkakapasa. But Luna is there. Ayan yung kanyang off. Awkward na take off. Mansala. Fernando. Fernando set shot. Yes. 10. Tarik kuha. Nice pass to Manala. Yes, this time. Cabrera ulit. Suisip. Isa pa. Sa kabila na naman. Adrales. Nice passing. Iba. Ayun lang. Sayang. Luna on a 3-on-2. Luna attack strong. Yes. On. Fernando. Libre. Yes. On the attack. Luna changing hands in mid-air. That is good. Agaw ni Mercado. Adrales. Bondok. Fernando, attack. Yes, timeout tayo sa kabila. 2 times. Enriquez to Luna. Luna hanging. Lion, stop. Kanyana. Yes. Luna. Downtown. No. Bondok, solo sa rebound. Put that is good. Tudiaga Manala, losing the letter. Stolen by Mercado. Makaspak. Touchdown. To Cabrera. Yes. Pamintuan. The screen. Ganda ng pihe. Malinis na pagkakagawa kay Pamintuan. Pamintuan. The screen. The turnaround. Gets the best 6 seconds. Pamintuan. Pihe. Wow! What a move. Right. Offensive rebound Pusong. To Luna. Cutting. Goodness. Left. Cabrera. Get it back. Huling Fernando. Up and away si Fernando. Manansala. In and out. Manyala. Too strong. Layog. Yes. Defense by Luna prevails. Luna ngayon. No look to. Kabigar ng Rano. Then, lalaki ng pro. Isip again. Lakol. Third. Cabrera. Jumper. 3 on the way. Mercado. Yun. Nice drop to Luna. Sakto lang yung pass. Even the shot. Runner floating. No. Cabrera taps it. Isip rebound. Assist going to Luna. Yes. Another timeout. Mercado. Last pass to Puso. Layup. Yes. Stop and pop. Free throw line. Pusong. Atake. Hirap pigilan na. Enriquez. Bounce away. No. Enriquez to shot. Ay. Umakyat din. Manansala. No. Rebound. Who has it? Fernando pa rin. Basket down. Make a sum of them down. Manyala. Yes. Sa wakas. For the Wild Boars. Nakakuha rin ng transition basket. Luna. Makaspak. Yes. Manyalak, yes. Another one for him. No. Layo pa rin. Isa pa, yes, on the finger left. 35-53. Manyalak. Isa pa. Fernando. Time out. Swings it to Luna. Luna, runner of the glass. Manasara losing the letter. Manyalak, yes. Luna, tinanggal yung depensa. Makaspak, left, yes. 1 minute. Layo, Meki Aseria.